Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Chima Love. So today I have a hair review for you guys. This is Amazon Prime featuring TalkTo hair. I got their T-part water wave. It is a 13x4 and it's also a T-part middle part water wave hair. It's super cute, super lustful, everything you need. They sent me this in a box. Inside was a card and a wig cap. So this was the hair right after I took it out of the box. As you can see, it has a lot of luster. After I took that little black cap off, you're going to be able to see it a little bit more. I did also cut out those little clips in the wig because I just do not like those. But the hair was super nice. You can see the T-part in there. This was actually my first time wearing a T-part wig, so I was a little hesitant because I've never worn one. But then it also made me kind of excited to try one because I was like, okay, like, let's see what the T-part talking about. Now the lace is not transparent. I wish it was because I feel like just transparent wig gives you that really, really natural look. The wig is still nice even though it's not transparent, but I think it would be better if it was transparent. It's super bouncy, super curly. The curl pattern is absolutely beautiful, so I did love that with the wig. And I like how just straight out the box like that, you can see how beautiful the hair is. You know, the curl pattern is there, everything's there. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into the wig. So I'm going to start off just by tinting my lace a little. I put my own makeup on it. This is not a wig install video, so I'm not going to show you guys everything I did. But I decided to keep this little clip in just so you guys could see how I got the color I wanted. I also bleached the knots, and I actually over bleached the knots really bad. But that's nothing a little mascara, a little hair dye can't fix. But yeah, I did over the bleach the knots, so you'll be able to see that a little bit in the video. But besides that, after I bleached my knots, I just went ahead and put a little bit of foundation on it to match my skin color a little better. Again, this is not a transparent lace, so which is another reason why I did go ahead and put the makeup on the top. So this was day one of me installing the hair. This was what the hair looked like straight out the package. I actually went ahead and reinstalled the hair because I didn't like how much lace I still had on my head. I'm really like particular about that, so I did go ahead and install it again a week later. But I really wanted you guys to see how the hair looks straight out the package. Like, this was day one of the hair, super beautiful. Like, before I even put mousse in it, you guys could see how beautiful the hair was. And then I just added some mousse. You guys see the curl pattern, it speaks for itself, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch that. Yeah, she was doing it or whatever. Okay, so this is, I believe, 2 weeks later. I'm reinstalling the hair. So I had just co-washed the hair and I let it air dry, and this was what I got before I did anything to the hair. I was like in the process of washing the hair, so this is it. I was looking crazy, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my Ghost Bond glue. I also use Erica J's glue. I love that. I don't know if this is Ghost Bond or Bold Glue. Don't quote me. I don't know which one I'm using in here. I think this is Bold Glue. No, I think it's Ghost Bond. Doesn't really matter. They all do the same thing. But yeah, I'm going ahead and using my glue, and I'm adding it to my part. I did not do the wig cap method just because I didn't plan on having this hair on for a long time, and I didn't have the time to do all that, so I put it on my forehead. I do this sometimes when I'm running short of time. I'm going ahead and just laying that glue down. Again, this is not a install video, but I just showed you guys a little bit of what I did for this hair. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch that. Okay, so this is after I installed the hair down. So I'm just putting my little wrap on it so the glue can, you know, really mesh into my skin so we can get it all together. You know, y'all know what you do when you install the wig. So here I'm just showing you guys the curl pattern. This is literally straight after a co-wash of the hair, air drying. Look how beautiful. Like, it's just a beautiful hair. Like, the hair is just so pretty, and I was amazed that it looked like that without me putting any product in it. There's nothing in this hair, just water, baby. So now I'm going in and I'm spraying down the hair. I want you guys to pay attention to how the hair looks when it's wet. The hair looks good when it's wet and when it's dry. And another thing I love about this hair, it has a really pretty curl pattern. So I'm just spraying down the hair before I start to style it. So as you can see, this is the curl pattern when it's wet. They're like loosely curled. This is like when it's pretty wet because I was spraying the heck out of that little spray bottle. But I just love the curl pattern. Like, this is perfect hair for you to like wear in the summertime. You go swimming. It looks super cute. You don't look like a shaggy dog. So I think this was really cute. So I'm just going in with my Tough Cookie. And I'm putting that inside my hair. I will link that below, what that product was. But I'm just going in and putting that up through my hair. That's actually the only product besides Mousse that I did use on this hair. That alone should speak volumes on the curl pattern that it's about to have, that you guys are about to see. But just wait on it. So I did go through and just brush out the curls. I feel like this helps with separating curly hair so it's not super clumped together. I also feel like this gives curly hair a bigger volume, and I like my hair to be super big, so I end up doing this. So now I'm just going in with this little I don't even know what this is called. I'm gonna link that down below too. But I feel like it helps to like mold my curls. I always do that. I really don't even know if it does anything, but shoot. So okay, this is the hair after it's a little bit dry. I would say here it was like 75% dry. So I'm just gonna be showing you, this is exactly what it looks like 75% dry. But the hair gets bigger and cuter as it goes on. Just wait. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Super cute. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and showing you guys different styles you can do with this hair. Because it is a 13x4, I'm able to style it in many different ways. You're really able to manipulate this and make it still look natural, especially if you really know how to lay down your lace. So yeah, just pay attention, watch, and enjoy. I love this one. This one was cute. Like, it's really the curl pattern for me. Like, look at it, y'all. Come on. As you can tell, I was super obsessed. I'm also going through and showing you guys that this hair does not shed. I had very, very minimal shedding, and I really only had shedding when I would brush through my hair like with a comb. And obviously, like when I would put the mousse and I would brush through the hair, I had shedding there. But just putting my fingers through, I did not receive shedding. Okay, I know you guys can hear my AC, sorry, but you guys can obviously see how beautiful this hair is. Like, it's kind of dried a little bit more now, so you guys can see it versus the other cuts. This hair is freaking gorgeous. Like, the quality is there, no shedding, and it's so like pretty. Like, literally, no matter how many times I reinstall it, no matter how many times I wear it. This is, I think, week 2 or maybe week 3 of having this hair. I think 2.5 might be. and still holding up. Like, it's still so beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed. Look at the curl pattern, and it's like super natural. You come right to the middle. I actually wear it to the middle, or I like wearing it to the middle, but I actually more so like wearing it like to the side because I like bigger hair, you know. But yeah, I like to wear it to the side because I like my hair to have more volume. Super cute. Oh, I'm just obsessed. And like, it looks good in pictures. You can wear it out. If you want to wear it like you're going on vacation or you're going swimming or whatever, you want your hair to get wet, you can wear it and it's fine. Especially if you use like, you know, install the hair and like glue it down. But I'm like obsessed with it. Like, every time I wear this hair, I can't not. Like, guys, come on, like, you see it. So it does what it needs to do, and it does what it needs to manipulate the hair and however you want it to be. I have a mirror right here, so I keep looking in here because I'm like, every girl who was like, all the description or all the details on this hair will be in the description box, so make sure you pay attention to that. I'll actually also link the direct link to this hair, so if you want to buy the stock one. But as you can see, it's super full, and the one thing I like about this hair is I feel like a lot of times like hair companies, they'll make like the hairs in the back or like throughout the hair they'll make them shorter, like every piece is not the same length. But what I love about this hair is throughout the whole entire thing, like everything is the same length, and I love that. There's not like one hair like that's shorter than the other or whatever. Even in the back, like all the way at the nape, you know, of the wig, even those are the same length, so I love that. This is a review, maybe like a spiced up review, the Chiba Love edition on there or whatever. But yeah, love this hair. If you want some good hair for the summertime, especially summertime, because you know it's getting warm outside, and curly hair is always the way to go because you don't have to worry about heat. But also I like about this hair, it's not too short, so I mean it's not too long, you know, so it's just the hair is so hot, so I don't want something that's like super on me, like if I had like really long. So I really like this length. I feel like this is the perfect length for this hair. Remember, this is a T-part wig, but you can't even look. Where's the T, honey? Where's the T? Like, I feel like people always stray away from T-part, and I used to be one of those people that always strayed away from T-part wigs because like there's not as much like you can do with it. But I can flip it, especially with curly hair. Since this is curly, like you can flip it in how you want it to be, you know. You don't have to worry about, I don't know, I just feel like it looks super good and it looks really, really natural, like this is growing out of my scalp. That's really all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this hair. Let me know if you end up ordering this hair, if you do order it, if you plan on ordering it, and let me know what your experience with this hair was. This hair was sent to me by them. I really love it. I really I want to thank them for sending me over this hair. This is an honest review, because one thing about me, I'm honest. I don't lie because I wouldn't want somebody to lie to me, and I don't want to waste my money. So this is not a waste of money. I really recommend it. I'm trying to think if there's anything I didn't like about the hair. I really haven't had any shedding. Like, I've had very, 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 like, if I had had any shedding, it's just when I, you know, use my brush and like comb through it. But, you know, just walking and like seeing your hair on the floor or anything like that, no. Just like pulling out my hair, there's no shedding. So I haven't seen any shedding. I did really, really over bleach the knots, but you can even, I mean, you can tell a little bit, but it's okay. I'll be fixing it with the mascara. But besides that, I don't know. I don't think there's anything. The hair is super soft, which is like, it was soft when I got it. It's still soft now, and it doesn't get super matted. I feel like a lot of curly hair gets super matted, and this one doesn't, so that's good. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video here because I'm talking a lot. But I love you guys, and I will see you next time.